Hi parents, welcome to our virtual open house. I'm so excited that you're here. I'm even more excited that I get to have your kids in class. I am so happy to be back in my classroom teaching and with the kids learning. We are really looking forward to this year. It's going to be a very different year because of COVID. We can't have you up here and involved like we normally would have, but know that we have a lot of learning going on. There are lots of fun activities that we're doing that I'll be communicating with you through Dojo about. So please make sure if you haven't already connected to Dojo that you connect so that we can stay in touch. That's just one more way for me to be able to communicate with you and to share with you what's going on in our classroom. We have a lot of learning to do this year. We have a year and a half worth of material basically to put into a year's worth of learning. Know that we're going to be going at the student's pace, but we're going to be providing activities and opportunities for them to grow and fill all of the gaps that they need to fill so that by the time they leave our classroom, they'll be ready to move on to second grade. I am very excited about them being here, and I can't wait to see the growth that they make. I do have goals set for your students, and I'm going to be sending those next week, along with some other information about where they are and where we would like for them to be by the time that they leave. Once I get that information sent to you, we can see about scheduling conferences. We can do those either through Zoom or with a phone call. If after that you still feel like you need to visit with me, then we can always schedule some time after school to speak outside if that's necessary and that's something that you want to do. Please know that there are lots of things going on here, and we are taking care of your children as best we can. Several are wearing masks, and I'm encouraging them to wear them, but I'm not making them. When they're at their seats working, they don't have to wear them. When we are at the guided reading table, if they have them, I do want them to wear them. So know that we are taking every safety precaution that we can to keep your children safe, because we want them here. We need them here so that they can learn. They need to be here every day because the material that we cover every day is growing. And when they miss, it makes it hard for them to catch up. Please know that this is one of the colder classrooms on campus, and so your kids may be complaining about being cold in the classroom. If they have jackets and you want to send them, even though it may not be necessary outside for them to wear a jacket, they may want to wear one in the classroom, and that's okay. I don't have any control over the temperature, and I wear a jacket in here almost all the time. Also, on that same note, we can't use the water fountains this year because of COVID, so please make sure you're sending a water bottle with your student. I can fill it for them here, but I need for you to send it for them so that they have that, because we do have several that don't have them. If you have questions or concerns, or you just want to get into contact with me, please know that you can do that through Dojo. You can do that through email, or you can call me. I'm happy to be here working with your kids, and I can't wait to see what this year has in store for us all. Thank you so much, and I look forward to a fabulous year.